How to create an email template in MailChimp. Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an email template in MailChimp. So let's get started. First of all, you get to sign in to your MailChimp account, and over here at the left side, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you're going to scroll all the way down and click on content over here. So once you click on content, you'll be able to see some other options. So what you're going to do is click on email templates. So just click on email templates, and then you'll be able to see this in front of you. So all of your saved templates would be saved over here. So you're going to click on create template, and once you do so, you will be redirected to this page. So you're going to select any existing template if you want. So note that MailChimp offers complete templates only if you have their upgraded plan, but if you wish to select any basic layout, so those are completely free. So you can select any basic layouts, or you can also use any fully designed template. So for example, I'm gonna pick any of these templates from here. So let us just see any template that goes well with our brand. For example, whichever template you like, you can just click on, use that. But if you don't like any of these, that's okay. You can just click on basic layout and start from scratch. So for example, I'm going to start from here and give your template a name. For example, I'm just going to give it name my template just for the demonstration purpose, and then click on save. And after that, you'll be able to see something like this. So you can just customize the template according to your own choice. For example, at the top, if you want there to be logo, you can add logo. And here you can see that this is basically a picture. So you can make it, you can scale it according to your own choice. You can make it big, small, however you want. So you can just, resize that. And after that, if you want to change the alignment, like you can see, you can make it big, small. And for alignment, you can make it left, center, right. So just do it accordingly. So after alignment, we have a link too. So what basically happens is that when you add a link over here, so when you click on the picture, whenever someone clicks on the picture, they'll be redirected to the specific link that you have mentioned. So after images, we have other stuff such as heading. So you can see that I already have heading over here. So I have heading over here, so you can just change the heading accordingly. You can also format the alignment and everything. And then we have paragraph, so you can drag and drop if you don't already have paragraph over here. So drag and drop that, and you can type down a paragraph. And then we have a button, so you can drag and drop a button. And then we have divider. So what basically is the use of divider is that you have multiple blocks, so divider will separate those blocks for you. And you can, that is the reason whenever you have a template, you can just crop the image part so that you can add dividers and add more contents. So you can just customize the dividers, such as if you want dotted, or you can even change the color. And after that, we have an option of, a spacer and image. Like I just told you about image, it is the same as logo. So you can just format it. And then we have creative assistant, video, social. You can add socials over here, whichever socials you want. You can also add any other socials and type down links over here. And after adding socials, we have other contents such as coding, such as apps, such as products or survey. You can just link them over here. And after doing so, just click on save and exit. And here you can see that your template has been created. So that is basically how you can create an email template in MailChimp. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.